What's up, y'all? It's your boy Judge J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good afternoon to each and every one of y'all. I want to say thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at another car show for another car meet at Mel'S Diner in Lafayette. You know, I've been always coming out to these. You know, the last time we had this, they had the Dodge Viper ACR and a lot of other craziness that was here as well. You know, we also had some good scenes, so hopefully this one be a lot crazier than the last one. So without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff, share with the boys, and let's just get right into the video, y'all. Here we go. So right over here, y'all, we got the 5.0 Mustang right over here as we see for the first lineup, y'all. We got the Subaru right here, and we also got the Honda Civic Type R right here. And then right over here, we got the car from early this morning from the Twin Peaks meet. You know, this Z right here, look like a Nissan, obviously, like an old Nissan. And we also got the Feint right here, the Huracan Feint, and the Chevy truck right over here. Well, this is a Ford right here. It's actually a Ford Twin High Beam. And then we also got the Whipple supercharged Ford F-150 right here, and the base model C6 LS3. Very nice. So right over here, y'all, I believe this is a El Camino Wagoneer. I could be wrong with this ain't, but it's some kind of classic right here. But we also got the C3 Corvette right here in that all black. Pretty cool to see that as well. And then we also got the Cadillac Wagoneer Eldorado right here. This thing is pretty cool. So we got the Camaro ZL11 LE right here that's making 933 horsepower. You know, this is the one we seen at Twin Peaks earlier this morning as well too. It's good to see it out again. So right over here, y'all, we got the Chevy truck right here. We've seen many times at the shows, the blue and the white yellow. It's really cool. And then we also got the Hot Rod over here. Some you don't get to see every day. Got the Hot Rod. We got the C6 base model Corvette and this Volkswagen right here. Got the hood popped up, the girl right here. Got a little something I see for a vehicle like that. And then over here we got the Nissan 350Z. Pretty cool seeing that. And then we also have my car in the lineup right here. And then we got some kind of Toyota right here. And then we got the Nissan 350Z right over here as we see. And the Pontiac GTO in that silver. And the Trans Am. And also the BRZ to end the lineup. Pretty cool seeing all of that. A very nice lineup, y'all. Check this out, y'all. Oh my God. We got the GMC truck right here chopping a storm. This thing sound crazy. Oh my goodness. We got the Kia right here as well that just rolled up. I wish I had them on video for y'all, but this truck right here sounds so crazy, man. Oh my God, man. Get on it. Yeah, I seen you. Got the Demon rolling up. Oh my God, that's the one from early this morning I seen. Got the Demon rolling out, y'all. Looks real nice. So we got the C7 Z06 right here, lady driven right here in that silver. It looks really nice. Got Howard and Cat in them right here with the Frostbite Blue Charger with the gold wheels and the truck. Got the BMW and the GTR, y'all, both together.